Hello, I'm Aaron Beeman, Global Lead for Retail and E-commerce here at AMD, part of the Server Business Unit, and I'm here in Paris at NRF Europe. And I'm joined today by Sue Odle, CEO of StoreMagic. How are you, Sue?
I'm great. It's good to be here doing what we do together again.
Yeah, absolutely. No, we've been on the road a lot together. It's
Yeah.
very exciting to see how our collaboration is developing. Tell me a little bit about some of the trends you're hearing here at NRF, or just in general.
Yesterday, you and I got to present it together, sharing big ideas around the strategic importance of optionality and sustainability, the need to have bleeding edge stores with a customer experience that is unbelievable. And so I think there's a common theme in retail around the world about needing to do more with less.
Right. There continues to be cost pressure in this industry.
Yeah.
As I've said, retail doesn't pay retail, right? They need to really eke out as much value from their infrastructure budgets as possible.
There's even a level down distinction between the investment that companies make in the data center versus the edge. So when you talk about infrastructure investment in the stores, it is even smaller. And so all of the people that have to pay for the footprint in a store are working on a small envelope. So StoreMagic has been built from the ground up. It's been 20 years, focused on the needs of those edge retail environments that don't have a lot of money, they don't have IT staff, they need to perform, they need to scale within a tight budget envelope. But there's a massive distinction between what a retailer needs in the data center and what a retailer needs at the edge. And we're focused on solving that problem. From a licensing point of view, it's very simple. We charge per server and per storage on each server. That's it. We don't get into the complexities of how many cores do you have and how many CPUs do you have in that particular node. Needs may change. The number of cores you may need to run may change. As they're running more AI-driven applications, there's no impact from a software point of view in terms of the licensing and the cost. So I think that's material in terms of future-proofing the business.
No doubt. So big trend I'm seeing, of course, is around store modernization.
Yeah.
Putting in a single monolith of infrastructure that can help quickly and in a very agile way release new features and capabilities and
Right.
manage that really at a fleet level across all of these stores.
Yes.
Talk a bit about what you're seeing. I mean, I've got to believe you're seeing that certainly with these retailers.
Yeah, and I would say it's a consolidation. You know, we're seeing retailers looking at ways to consolidate physical hardware in the store, to consolidate applications that are running in the store that can do more things. Our role in that is plumbing. I like to call it the plumbing. We focus on making sure that the lights don't go out, that everything is available so that the business can focus on those applications today and the future footprint of applications. So the store of the future, as you know, has been a common term for a long time. It's accelerating because of AI. Hardware, AMD hardware is just breaking ground in terms of performance and sustainability, and that's causing retailers to think about how they can take advantage of that.
We've been working very closely also with HPE to reduce friction in terms of how we get solutions like StoreMagic on AMD platforms from HPE into the market.
We talk about the three technologies coming together and the performative nature of the stack. So we've fully integrated the technology. HPE can build these imaged machines directly. It's very easy for an end customer to contact their reseller, who will work with the distributor, provide them with options, small, medium, and large options of machines that then will be imaged with SVHCI, which is our hyperconverged infrastructure solution, which is a rip and replace for VMware. So any retailers that are thinking about options to move off of VMware at the edge, this is absolutely a solution that they should be thinking about. And also at the same time, reduce your lifetime TCO because of the efficiency of the hardware and the software that you're purchasing.
Excellent.
Yeah.
Sue, thank you for your time. It's great catching up with you,
As
and I
always.
look forward to seeing you at the next event.
We'll see you at the next one.